What if your belief could bend reality? Not just wishful thinking, not just hope. Napoleon Hill called faith the eternal elixir, the force that gives life, power, and action to your thoughts. In this video, we're diving deep into the second principle of Think and Grow Rich, and trust me, this one's a game changer. Let's get real. Every successful person you admire, entrepreneurs, artists, athletes, they didn't just want success. They believed it was already theirs. Faith is the bridge between your burning desire and its physical manifestation. Hill said, "Faith is the only known antidote for failure. Without it, your goals are just daydreams. With it, they become blueprints." Faith, according to Hill, isn't religious, it's psychological. It's the ability to convince your subconscious mind that your goal is inevitable. And how do you do that? Through autosuggestion. Repeating affirmations with emotion, conviction, and consistency. You're not just saying words, you're programming your mind to believe, act, and attract. Here's the science behind it. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. If you feed it thoughts of abundance, confidence, and success, it starts working behind the scenes, shaping your habits, attracting opportunities, and filtering your focus. Faith is the fuel that powers this internal engine. Think of someone like Oprah Winfrey. She didn't come from privilege. She came from poverty, trauma, and rejection. But she believed, deeply, that she was destined for greatness. That belief shaped every decision, every risk, every breakthrough. Faith isn't passive, it's active. It's the voice that says, "I will," even when the world says you can't. So how do you build faith? Start with a clear goal. Write it down. Speak it aloud every morning. Feel it in your bones. Visualize it. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, or at least don't drain your energy. And when doubt creeps in, remind yourself, faith is stronger than fear. Here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, pick one goal and affirm it daily with emotion. Say it like it's already true. Watch how your mindset shifts. Watch how your actions align. Watch how the world starts responding. Because when you believe with faith, the universe listens. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your affirmation. Let's build a community of believers who turn thoughts into things. And stay tuned. Next up, we're diving into autosuggestion, the tool that makes faith unstoppable.